Hi everybody, now let us begin our yoga regimen with spot jogging. Here we go, keep jogging on the spot, keep going. We are going to do about 50 to 60 steps likewise. Continue to jog. You know it's very important for us to keep jogging to get the joints in motion, in action. Keep going, and now we are going to change. Get your arms upwards and sway them back and forth your ear. Keep going. Wonderful. Now you can feel the upward stretch in the body. We are now engaging the upper body also in the exercise. Continue to jog. Keep going few more steps, and we are going to open the arms wide and sway them inwards and outwards. Keep going. Synchronize your arm and leg movement and get in a rhythm of your own. We'll continue it for some more time and then leave your hands and we do spot jogging, maybe little more rapid than what it was before. Continue, keep jogging. Yeah, I can see you enjoying it. The pulse rate is increasing, the body is feeling much more warmer now. Slow down, we are going to be doing arm stretches now. Push your arms backwards, we are going to do it 5 times. Continue to sway the arms backwards and now open the arms halfway in through the elbow and wide open. Halfway into the elbow and then wide open. Do it likewise about 4 or 5 times. Then change and start swaying the arms cross, front way, left hand up once and right hand up once, alternating it. Do it about 5 times. Keep going. Now start raising your leg up to your palm. Do about 5 kicks. Do likewise on both the sides, kicking the leg upwards and stepping back so that you avoid the jerk. Now just sway your body leftwards and rightwards, just a gentle sway, and now extend the arms sideways, left way and right way about 5 times again. Check that you are exhaling out as you bend down towards your toe. Keep doing on each side and then stretch the arms outwards to the left side as if you are pushing something and reaching out to that extreme side. Do likewise on each side. Now rest your hands in the center. Bring your feet together and straighten up your body. Fold yourself, reach down and supporting on your legs, come up. Do likewise. Keep repeating. Exhaling, you're going down and inhaling, you're returning up. Now sit down in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Get your position established. Your back is straight, you are sitting tall, your chin is parallel to the floor. Now we are going to practice Kapalbhati variations. In first variation, we are going to do the breathing only in the upper respiratory region. As if you are constricting the neck region, you are not letting the air fully travel down into your lungs and it's only in the upper region. Very shallow breathing. Do it about 15 to 20 strokes or as much as you can do. At any point you feel breathless or run out of breath or you lose the rhythm of it, stop. That's the time you have to stop. Likewise, you take about 2 breaks and do the Kapalbhati in the upper respiratory region. So you are not allowing the air to travel into the lungs, into the thoracic region. It's only limited in the upper region. After completing that, we do it in the belly So while exhaling, see, be very forceful through your exhalation. When you're inhaling again, inhale full, exhale full. So you can feel the belly moving out and in with every inhalation and exhalation. Do likewise for about 30 times or as much as you can do. Avoid running out of breath. Honor your body limit. Even if you do 5 or 10 times, it's fine. Take a break and do it again. So you can gradually build it to doing 30 times in a go, or else you will do it in piecemeal. Allow your body to take its own course of action. As you finish, just settle down and allow the breathing to settle down. Now we are ready for Surya Namaskar, the feet apart variation. We are going to do 2 sets of this Surya Namaskar. Keep your feet apart throughout the asana. From your step 3, you will place it correctly and maintain the feet apart. Imagine the vertical alignment of your body, and you are going to move your legs and arms symmetrically through this axis. Continue the Surya Namaskar 4 set, and in the meanwhile enjoy the chirping of the birds. Just enjoy every movement of the Namaskar. Feel the circulation in your body. I'm already sweating and I'm sure you too are. Continue. Your body is actually enjoying that you have begun well with Surya Namaskar practices. Follow the pace of asana and continue. Complete 2 sets of Surya Namaskar, and then as you come to the end of it, we are going to change the Surya Namaskar to 1 leg up Namaskar. So as you finish your Surya Namaskar, you are not going to stop. You will just join your feet and proceed to the next Namaskar. Complete the 4th set now, 4th Namaskar now, 2nd in the set. Keep your feet together. Inhaling, bring your arms up, proceed through the Namaskar, and in step 4, take your foot out but don't rest it down on the ground. So your leg now remains off in air and you continue to practice the Namaskar. You are likely to shift your body weight on one side. Check that you're not doing it. Keep your back almost parallel to the floor, aligned to the floor, and not tilting on one side. It calls for a good will of yours to do the Namaskar. You can feel the good exercise occurring in your thighs. Do this Surya Namaskar. We are going to continue this Surya Namaskar. Here you will notice that you are balancing only on one leg, and so if you see it clearly, your back muscles are very much in action for doing the Surya Namaskar, particularly in this variation of one leg raised Namaskar. If it's difficult for you to do it, just do 1 set of Namaskar and leave it, or wait for the strength in your arms to build up and then take up to this Namaskar. But never leave it thinking that you can't do it. You can always build your stamina. Now we're coming to the normal variations of Surya Namaskar, which we have always been doing. So you follow your own pace and just do this set, 3 sets or 6 Namaskar, normal pace Namaskar. Just follow, your feet are together. When you take your legs behind, then also they are together. It's a normal, regular Surya Namaskar that we have always been doing. Now you will notice that this is much more easier after doing the feet apart and leg up variation. It is so much easy, so effortless and so smooth. Keep doing it. We are going to do 3 sets of Surya Namaskar. Your body is feeling so much vibrant now. The arms, the legs, the back, the abdomen, the whole, every cell in your body is so active, full of life at this moment. You can feel the body temperature actually rising now. Feel the heat in the body. The temperature has gone up. Now for the last set, let's do this third set in a retention way. Now we are going to hold the breath for about 10 seconds in each step. Skip step 1 or 10 when you just stretch your body upwards. From bending down from position 2 onwards, start holding for 10 seconds, 10 counts, 10 units, whatever it is for you, and proceed through each position of Surya Namaskar in most accurate and most precise manner that you can be. Just make your Surya Namaskar better than the previous one. Just have a comparative progress in your own Surya Namaskar rather than copying somebody else. Check that you are doing it precisely, neatly, retaining the body position, giving the due stretch that each position requires, paying attention to respective part of the body. There's nothing else in your mind at this moment. Just the namaskar, just the body position, just what is happening internally in your body, the movement that it is. Just flow with it. There's nothing else that is important for you at this moment other than your own body's health. Just do it, holding at each step. Feel a good stretch through each position. Keep doing the Surya Namaskar. Feel the pulse, feel the circulation, feel the warmth in each body part. The more you concentrate, it is almost a moving Surya Namaskar meditation. Just flow with each asana movement. And there we are completing the Surya Namaskar and ready for the next stage. In this regimen, we are going to begin our standing asana with Virbhadrasana position. We are going to do 5 repetitions of Virbhadrasana on left and right both the sides. Stand with your feet together. Inhaling, stretch your arm upwards. Get connected to the vertical alignment of your body and extend your left leg out and slowly start lowering your body, getting into a perfect T-shaped alignment to the floor. We are going to repeat likewise. Every time you are doing this, check first the vertical frame of your body. Then gradually, part by part, lower yourself, trying to reach almost parallel to the floor. It may be very difficult in the beginning to reach to that kind of alignment, but it will be possible with good practice. So first thing important is get connected to the vertical axis, draw the belly inwards, concentrate on the center of your body. Part by part, as you lower down, shift your body weight onto your thigh very precisely good compression in the abdomen, and good balancing adjustment coming from your back. All these things put together will give you a good balance and a better Veerbhadrasana alignment. Keep doing it. It's okay if you lose balance and drop down. It's perfectly fine. Keep trying it and you'll definitely be able to do it. The softer and gentle you are with yourself in this practice, the better the balance is going to be. Changing now on the left leg standing and right leg going upwards. Be very stable and steady in your practice. It's not that only your arms and leg is doing this asana. Every cell of your arm, every cell of your back, every cell of your both the legs are doing this asana. If your shoulders get hurt, you may just roll them and relax your shoulders. You are balancing only on one leg, so the whole burden of balancing is definitely coming on your back now. So try to get your back as parallel to the floor as possible. There is a tendency to tilt on one side, and that's an easy balance because you are using only your leg, which you are anyway used to doing it. Avoid doing that. Get your entire back in the balancing action. So you're really working through the entire body coordination, the thigh, the abdominal compression and the back and the arms and the legs and your shoulders. Now we are ready for Utkat Vakrasana. 8 to 10 inch distance between your feet parallel. Inhaling, bring your arms up in Namaste. Exhaling, bend your knees and twist to your left. Inhaling, return. Exhaling, bend your knees again and twist to your right. Inhaling, return. Your hips, outer thighs and knees are supporting the toes to bear the body weight. Ensure that your hips are square and fixed. The torsion is happening only in the upper body. Check that your tailbone is tucked inwards. Lift the pelvic floor upwards and the abdomen is pulled inwards to grip the back. That gives a fine stability in your torso, and when you twist you can feel the obliques in good action. To make it more effective, you could keep your gaze fixed ahead in front of you, and when you're just twisting you can feel the torsion very much centralized in the body, in the upper body as well as at the base of the back. Avoid interlacing the fingers, shoulders are down and elbows are soft. For Shalabh Uttan Padasana, hold your arms parallel to the floor, shoulders are down. Your hips, heels and shoulders are in vertical alignment. Abs pulled in, shift your body weight to your left leg. Exhaling, bring your right foot in the front. Inhaling, take it back to the center. Exhaling, move it backwards in Shalabhasana kind of position. Inhaling, get it back to the center. Again, maintaining the balance with patience is the key of this asana. When you bring the leg forward, you squeeze the hips and draw the strength from the compression in your abdomen. Inhaling, you just release it. While taking the foot behind, point it. Tuck the tailbone inwards, lift the pelvic floor up and give a fine stability, a complete vertical alignment in your back. Let's repeat again. Now we do it on the other side. Exhaling, lift your left leg forward. Check the compression in the abdomen, in the hip. Take the support from the thighs. You can feel a good work happening throughout the body. In fact, every muscle in your body is active in getting you in the balanced alignment, retaining you vertical, and there's a good compression felt in the abdomen, pull, stretch all over in the leg, hip and the back. Bringing hands down after each variation will give you a relief in the shoulder joint, which is very required because that's very active in keeping you in alignment. Hold your arms elbow to elbow like this, and we are ready for Ekapada Parikrama. Stay in vertical axis and circle your leg in a semicircle, front, side, back, and then return it back to the starting position. We do 3 circles on each side, and then we do 3 circles anti-clockwise on each side. Establishing yourself in the vertical axis is the key of this Ekapada Parikrama. It is not just circling your leg. If you do that mindlessly, you are likely to deviate from your vertical alignment, and the exercise effect of abdominal compression, working on the thighs and hips is not going to occur at all. So be patient, be stable, be balanced throughout the asana moves. It is only circling your leg clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, but vertical alignment is most important. When you are taking your leg behind, you will have to establish the vertical body by pulling yourself still upwards as if you're growing taller and complete the semicircle. That way you retain your alignment and give an effective work in the abdomen and in your hips. Wow, that's a qualitative work happening in the hips, thighs and the abdomen. A very good sculpting to the body shape, and also a very nice technique for improving body-mind coordination and connection. Of course, there could be some drops in retaining the balance, but overall a very good workout to the body-mind spirit. You can relax your legs by circling shortly, small little circles, and that's it. Now we sit with feet flexed, back vertical, interlock the fingers and circle the arms around the head clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. That will prepare ourselves for the next abdominal crunch. Now get your body rooted. That the tailbone is tucked in to lengthen the lower back and abdomen pulled in to support the stability in the back. Exhaling, roll slightly backwards, interlock the arms and start circling around. That's a great compression working in your obliques. Balance your body at the strength of the compression in your abdomen. There's no undue pressure in any way on your lower back region. Purely bear the body on the abdominal strength and circle the arms. I know it's a little challenging, but it's beautiful work to sculpt this region. Work through it, be patient and do it right. It may be difficult for you in the beginning to do 10 circles clockwise and anti-clockwise. In that case, honor your body, be patient, have your own pace of doing maybe 3 circles in the beginning and gradually build the practice. Now we get ready for Marjarasana 90. Keep your knees approximately 2 to 3 inches apart and sit in Marjarasana alignment. Hold your back in tabletop alignment. Draw the belly in and give a fine support to your back. Chin tucked inwards. Inhale thoracic. And while exhaling, extend your right arm straight up, pointing forwards. You may gently look at your fingertip and retain the control of the abdomen inwards. There's a massive stretch, work happening through the shoulders. Sustain that stretch for some time and return hand down. Change and repeat it again. Align your chin properly so that it gives a good support to your neck. Your shoulders are away from your ear and your eyes are attempting to look through the fingertip. Alternate it and do it once again. There's a massive compression in your abdomen. It may look very simple, and if it feels simple, perhaps you are not working through the abdomen. There's a massive pull that you can feel in this exercise. Work through it correctly and you can feel the exercise. We do it twice on each side. Check that the body is perfectly aligned as shown in the video. You're going to be wondering how come such a simple exercise giving such a beautiful effect. Sit back in Sharan Mudra and rest. Now we are going to do push-up in Dronasana position. Balance yourself well on your hips. Your abdomen is pulled inwards, tailbone tucked inwards. Feel the well-aligned balance in the body. Shoulders are down, chin tucked in. Exhaling, push your hands forward as if you're extending and reaching away. Push. Your shoulders are down, elbows are soft. If your shoulder also is pulled forward, then that could be undue pressure in the upper back. Avoid that. Exhale and push. That will give you a good strength, compression in your abdomen. The balance and stability is very important. Stay connected to the vertical frame of your body from the head to the toes all through the practice.